Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Berryl Rabbani and I'm from local E uh, and my student ID is 251061180. Today I want to explain you our presentation about advocate. At first, I want to explain definition of advocate. An advocate is a legal professional who represents and defends the interests of clients in legal matters before courts, tribunals, or other legal authorities. More especially, an advocate provides legal advice, drafts legal documents, and pleads case on behalf of client. In many countries, an advocate is a qualified lawyer who has the rights on audience or the rights to appear and speak in higher courts. The terms are often used in countries following civil law or mixed legal system, such as Indonesia, India, and South Africa, similar to a barrister in common law system. Example, an advocate represents the defendant in court, arguing for a reduction of the sentence. In the advocate, there's two types. The first is pokral bambu, an advocate and procurers or advocate. Pokral bambu is an old Indonesian term that refers to informal or uncensored legal assistants who help people, especially the poor, handle legal problems during the colonial period and early independence era. And the advocate or advocate and procurers. After independence, Indonesia adopted much of the Dutch legal system, but simply now, an advocate in Indonesia must have a law degree, completed advocate training, and be licensed by the Bar Association or Peradi. Can represent clients in court, civil or criminal. How to be an advocate? How the category to be an advocate? The first is Indonesian citizen residing in Indonesia at the times of admission. The second is minimum age of 25. The third is law degree, law, Sharia, military, or police academy. The fourth is completed advocate professional training and 2 years of continuous apprenticeship. The fifth, not a civil servant or state official. And the last is no criminal record of offense punishable by 5 years or more. What rights are given to advocates? Advocates are to be independent in the Article 5.1 of the Advocates Law. They are free to voice opinion or make statement and to carry out their duties when pursuing a case before any court. How much is the salary of an advocate? The average salary of an advocate in Indonesia is around 9,800,000 rupiah per month, typically ranging from 5,200,000 Indonesian rupiah to 15,900,000 rupiah, depending on experience and city. Search from Salary Explorer. In Jakarta, salaries tend to be higher, with an average of 10,800,000 rupiah per month, and can reach up to 16,500,000 rupiah in large firms or with senior experience. Admission to practice. Linder the advocate slate to be admitted as an advocate in Indonesia. A person must be admitted into the profession by the Bar Association, which must send a declaration of admission to the Supreme Court and the Ministry of Law and Human Rights. Hold a law degree in Article 2.1 and 30.1e, obtained from a faculty of law, a faculty of Sharia, an academy of military law, or the police academy. Participate in professional advocates education. Have Indonesian citizenship. Reside in Indonesia at time of admission. Not work as a civil servant or state official. Be at least 25 years old. Have conducted an apprenticeship of at least 2 continuous years in an advocate's office. Never have been convicted of a criminal offense that carries a sentence of 5 years or more. And the last is demonstrate good behavior, honesty, responsibility, fairness, and strong integrity. I think that's enough, and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.